speaking with Dr. Frank Galey, who is the Dean at the College of Agriculture for the University of Wyoming. Dr. Galey, how did you become the Dean at UW for the College of Ag?
I joined the University of Wyoming in 1999 as the head of the State Vet Laboratory, which was great because it was a move home. I grew up here in Wyoming. And after a couple of years, the then sitting dean stepped down, and I was appointed dean at that time in 2001.
And the entire College of Ag at University of Wyoming, kind of give us a broad overview of all the programs, students, what degrees are offered, so on and so forth.
The College of Ag and Natural Resources we're really proud to be the land-grant college and the land-grant university, and we really focus on all three legs of the land-grant stool. Teaching, obviously, is important. Research, especially applied research into problems important to the people of Wyoming, and extension, that communication, not only out to the public about what we've learned in our laboratories and our classrooms, but also listening to the public to find out what are their needs, what would they like to see from their university, and I always welcome that kind of input. We to reach our mission, we have extension offices in all the counties in Wyoming, all 23 counties, and on the Wind River Reservation. And then we also have 4 research and extension centers around the state, one based in Laramie, one's in Lingle, we have one in Powell and one in Sheridan. So that's kind of our outreach piece. On campus and off campus, our students, we have every year since I joined as dean, we've had a slight but steady increase in enrollments, and we're unique actually in having that, being blessed with the students. We're over 1,000 students for the first time in our history last year or the year before, and we continue to grow slowly. We're about 1,050 students. Many of our students come from Wyoming. Slight majority are female. We offer degrees in everything that ranging from animal science and ag production to plant science and the plant production end of things. We're very strong in range science. Range, water, soil, that whole mix is very important to Wyoming. It's important to our students. We offer ag and applied economics, which is really economic, practical decision making for small business owners and small agriculture operators, family business, that kind of thing, but also into the small corporate kind of area. And then we also offer programs in nutrition, family and child development. That's through the Family and Consumer Sciences Department. Textiles, which obviously has a good link with agriculture. And then we also house the molecular biology, microbiology program for the campus, which is very important, obviously, in agriculture nowadays to understand the molecular basis of everything that we do. So a broad array of programs. We really focus, however, around rural communities, agriculture, and the renewable natural resources in the state. And that's where we're really strong. Certainly we can't be everything to everybody, but as I go around the state and went around the state early as a dean, they said, we really are interested in a couple things. We're a range state. We grow grass. We sell baby calves. We have a lot of energy development. That involves the range, water, and soil. We have a lot of small rural businesses. So what I've done as dean is I've tried to focus, and we also have a lot of problems with diseases in large animals. For example, brucellosis, which is a disease that affects elk and cattle. And we do have the state vet lab too. I forgot to mention that. So what we've done is we've focused our programs around a couple key areas. One is range science, and that means range water, especially in reclamation of disturbed lands. And that disturbance could be drought, or obviously energy, or road development, or whatever it is. And we're actually number 1 in the nation there now. In terms of animal diseases, we don't have a veterinary school, but the other veterinary schools are actually coming to us for partnership in studying those key diseases of cattle, horses, sheep, and our wild animal populations. So that's a really neat thing that they're coming to work with the University of Wyoming there. And then in terms of the ag business, rural decision-making stuff, we're growing. We have partners all over campus and really all over the region in training and also doing research about various policy issues affecting small businesses and natural resource decisions. So that's kind of the college in a nutshell. Specifically, here we are on the media. One of our stronger programs for students is our Ag Communications program, and that is a key piece of what we try to offer our students. And the reason being is I like all of our students to be able to get out there and talk about where our food originates. Food comes from soil and hard work and water, And you got to put those things together. And it doesn't just come from a cellophane wrapper somewhere in Safeway. And to have students coming out to be able to articulate that is very important. I would hope, and I've covered a lot of things, and I know you just need to cover a couple, but I would hope all of our students understand a little bit about communication, a little bit about leadership, the ability to think critically, and the ability to go find information and be a lifelong learner. And if our students are leaders, communicators, and learners, when they walk out of the door, I'm a happy dean.
Well, Dr. Galey, thank you very much. We do appreciate your time at Agriculture Television for interviewing with us today, and we hope that the 101st Wyoming State Fair was good for you this year, and we look forward to seeing your exhibit next year. Thank you.
Thank you.